How to enable Gemini in Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to connect Gmail to Gemini and use it to manage your emails directly from the chat on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the panel and tap Settings. After that, tap Personal Intelligence, then tap Connected Apps. Find Gmail in the list and make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's already enabled as part of your Google Workspace connection, you're good to go. Once connected, head back to the main Gemini chat screen and try it out. Type @Gmail followed by your question. For example, @Gmail, what's my latest email? And tap Send. Gemini will connect directly to your inbox and pull up the most recent message without you needing to open the Gmail app at all. You can also ask Gemini to draft emails for you. Just describe who you want to email and what you want to say, and Gemini will write it out for you, ready to review and send. Keep in mind, the more detail you give in your prompt, the better Gemini performs. If you're looking for a specific email, mention the sender's name or a keyword from the subject line to help Gemini find it faster, rather than just asking for the latest message. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Gemini in Gmail, give it a like, subscribe,